Hey guys, how you doing? Anthony Sakari here, founder at New York State Solar Farm. In the midst of everything going on in the world right now with this pandemic, I wanted to show you some of the things we're doing from a safety perspective during our site visits. And I wanted to show you one thing in particular today that's actually pretty cool. The way our drone scans the roof and gets the measurements. So from a safety perspective, we don't have to get on the roof, but then also it's just amazing technology that we could fly a drone and get such precise measurements on the roof of your home. And hey, even the cool part, when we're done, we could send you some aerial shots of your home if you'd like. So join me, and I am going to show you just a quick video about how we fly the drone over your house and how we get an aerial map of your home to help design your solar system. Let's do it. So guys, we just pulled up to the house, and in the past what we would do is we would use this little giant ladder. So we'd have a ladder, depending on the roof size. If not, we'd have one of our trucks with an even bigger ladder, probably a 28 or 30 foot ladder. We'd have our clipboard, and we'd have our handy tape measure. So now, welcome to 2020. Let me show you what we use. It's all in this little pouch right here. So we have this, open this up, and look at that, there's our drone. This little guy is gonna replace our ladder, our tape measure, our harness, and our lanyard right here. Controller, last but not least, our iPhone to set it up. Let's get our drone set up. Take our lens cover off, take the bracing for our camera off, then we'll open her up. There she is. We call this our NYSSF Droney. We even put eyes on there and little shark teeth because this thing is going to attack the roof and get some awesome measurements. Then we'll open up our remote control and we'll put our cell phone in it. And look at that, who's calling us right now? SunPower's dropping off panels to our warehouse. Hey Matt, how you doing?
Hey, I'm good. How are you? Just confirming you got your stuff.
I wasn't at the warehouse today, but I'll check with our warehouse guy. I think he did.
Okay.
All
Yep,
right.
I have confirmation it was delivered, so if you could just give me a confirmation, that'd be great.
Awesome, thank you Matt.
Yep, thank you.
Yep, bye. There it is. Solar panels delivered at our warehouse for another homeowner that's going solar. Okay, so right now our flight plan is all locked and the drone is calibrated, ready to go. So what we did before we got the drone to this stage is what I did is I walked around the house, did a full 360-degree walk around the house and checked for trees. We looked at the heights of the trees. We saw any obstructions that can get in the way. Once we did that, we put the inputs into our drone, and right now it's gonna fly autonomously over the roof, and it's gonna take 32 pictures, and it's gonna take roughly 1 minute and 50 seconds to do its mission. So we'll step back, and now we'll let the drone do the work. All systems checked out, it's ready to go. Start flight. What you could see here is right now the drone is flying its mission. So it's following that blue line. It's 75 feet tall. 75 feet is the height of the drone right now. And you can see in this little box on the bottom left-hand corner, it's capturing each shot one by one. You'll see click, click, click. And then right here on the right-hand side, you'll see that the drone is on its way back home, completed its mission.
Pilot required. GPS signal likely lost. Drone cannot hold position or return to home automatically. Fly with caution.
So, that's it. The drone completed its mission. It took its pictures. When we get back to the office later, we're going to upload all of these pictures into the cloud, and it's going to create a beautiful report of all of the measurements and all of the obstructions on this homeowner's roof. Also, during this time, what we're doing is to avoid having to go in the homeowner's home because of the COVID virus. What we're doing is sending our customers a checklist of pictures to take, and then they're emailing us those pictures so our designer can come up with a custom design for everybody's home. So a lot more is going to go into this site visit that I'm going to do right now, but I wanted to take you through the one fun part, and that's the New York State Solar Farm drone getting all of its pictures and coming up with a beautiful site map. So signing out. We'll see you later. Stay safe, everybody. Bye-bye.